Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel Infinity 81. So this week I drew nothing in particular. I just draw some patterns and line and just pattern and line, and this is my 6th day. So this is Saturday, June the what is it? Why I forgot the day. June the 6th. June the 6th, 2020, and we are still in the time of COVID-19 pandemic. Many of us are working at home, and it has been helping me to kill time, especially because I'm living alone and in my house. My house is small, so I don't have so many things to do. Just cooking, clean the house, do some work, then watch TV. But I don't want to be potato couch, so I try to do something productive by drawing all of this. And they are really time killer. And not only time killer or give you something to do, but the end result, you like the end result, then you can start talking to yourself, saying to yourself, I can create something beautiful in this not so beautiful time. So I hope you would like to check my other videos for all of them, and these are also in my other videos. Hopefully you would like to check them, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So yesterday, this is what I drew, something I called as onion shape pattern. Then I apply this pattern into this. So the basic shape is the same. You see some onions here, right? Some onions here. Okay, so this is just a matter of how you want to apply your pattern. If you cannot make something like this, if you just draw all onion shape like flowers or leaves, that's okay, and you can find example. I mean, there are many beautiful things made out of this pattern, beautiful online. You can find them if you want. So today I'm not going to draw, I'm not going to give you any tutorial about how to draw this, because I will try to combine this onion shape and lines, something like this, and maybe I will create something like this, but not all lines. The pattern are not all lines. I will put some other patterns like the 3-bar pattern, like this one. Where is it? Okay, like this one, and I will put them in one picture. Okay, I hope you enjoy my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully you get inspired by watching my video. Okay, bye. See you. this is it. This is my last picture this week in the Unstuck series. As you can see that I just drew some random spaces, then fill it in the spaces with the pattern I've used before. So this 3-part pattern and onion pattern and just some lines. I hope you like it, and maybe you are inspired to draw the same thing, or maybe you can draw the better picture than me, and I will be very happy if my pictures can inspire you. Thank you very much for coming by again today, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you again next week in my next videos. Bye.